Best family cell phone plans in 2024. A good family cell phone plan is one that offers enough data for you and your family. It can also include perks and features that are relevant. Some family plans include complimentary streaming services, so you can cover the cost of streaming when you pay your monthly wireless bill, a discount for a streaming service, multi-line discounts, or international features. However, an ideal plan becomes useless if the carrier doesn't cover your area well. After researching and testing the best cell phone plans from major carriers and budget-friendly providers, we have selected our top picks that will help you choose an appropriate plan according to your need. Here are the best cell phone plans in 2024. T-Mobile. The T-Mobile family plan named Go 5G is one of the best options, including hotspot, data, streaming benefits, and travel perks. It also offers a free Netflix subscription along with 6 months of access to Apple TV+. It's available with unlimited data for $180 for a family of 4. Verizon. Verizon's Unlimited Plus plan features 30 GB of hotspot data and fast 5G coverage that costs $180 per month for 4 people with a 3-year price guarantee. It also includes perks like Disney's streaming service bundle and travel passes to use overseas as $10 monthly add-ons with an option to add and drop at any time. AT&T. AT&T's Unlimited Extra plan offers a balance of price and perks for the carrier's unlimited plan with a save up to $40 each month. It also offers perks like 15 GB of hotspot data and unlimited data when traveling in Canada and Mexico. Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile offers 5 GB data for $60, but it won't add discounts as you add lines. It offers the first 3 months of service at the discount rate. To keep this price after a 3-month trial period, you need to commit to a year of service. Total 5G Unlimited. After rebranding, this Verizon-owned carrier offers a prepaid plan for families with the 4th line completely free. In this way, you have to pay $110 per month for 4 lines of unlimited on Verizon's network. It includes 5G ultra wideband coverage, 15 GB of hotspot data, 6 months of Disney+, etc. However, it is limited to 480p video streaming.